Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech TV. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign up to your GoCardless account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in gocardless.com and click on enter. After that, you need to click on sign up button, which is at the top right corner of the screen. Now you need to type in your business name on this field here and select the location. After that, choose your business type by clicking on this drop-down box. Now, type in your email address on this field here. After that, type in your password for your account. Now, click on this box here to agree the terms and conditions. Now, click on Sign Up button. After that, you will get a code in your email address. Type in that code in this field. After that, click on Continue button. You can set up your profile by clicking on next and selecting all these options from here. Or you can simply click on this homepage and you will head over to the homepage of GoCardless account and you can manually set up your account from here. So that is how you can sign up to GoCardless account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.